Apart from working with your what, your theories and your what, using your calculator, do you know that these your fingers can help you a lot? Maybe you're in an examination hall. You know that can do something very amazing here. Don't use this thing you're seeing as a joke. It's very interesting. Trigonometry at your what? At your fingertips. Now, this is your 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. So we are going to start from what? Remember that sine A is equals to the square root of finger below divided by 2. Square root of finger below. Look at. Let me show you. This is what? Below. This is above, right? Below, above. And cos A is equals to what? Square root of number above. This is above. This is below. Over divided by 2. Then tan. Remember, normally tan is always equals to sine divided by cos, right? So it equals to this divided by this will give us our what? Our tan theta, our tan A. So we're going to start from what? Let's start from what? Let's start from 0, right? Let's start from 0 degree. So let's see what is sine 0 degree. 1. Let's start from sine what? Sine 0. If you are asked to find sine 0 degree, what is the answer of sine 0 degree? Remember, this is equals to, see, square root of what? Square root of number what? Square root of number what? Below, right? Now, this is 0 degree, right? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So this is 0 degree, right? So sine said that square root of number below. So below. Look at below. This is what? Nothing. There's nothing here anymore. Look at 0 degree. After this 0 degree, what do you see next? Nothing. There's no other finger here. So it means what? 0 divided by 2. So this is 0 divided by what? 2. It means that sine 0 degree is equals to what? Square root of 0 is 0. So this is 0 divided by 2. So sine 0 degree is equals to what? 0 divided by 2 is what? 0. So it means that sine 0 degree is what? Is 0. I'm not with any calculator, but I'm telling you with what is going on here. So if I'm lying, use your calculator and type sine 0 degree. It must give you 0. It must be 0. Don't play. Alright, let's see what? 2. Let's see sine 60 degree. Sine 60 what degree is equals to what? So this will be equals to square root of what? Something divided by what? Divided by 2. This is how you put it. Let's know the number that will be here. Now, it's a square root of number below divided by 2. If this is a 0 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree. So it means that square root of what? Square root of number below divided by 2. This is a 60 degree, right? No. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60. This is a 60 degree, right? This is 60. Alright, this is a 60 degree, right? 60. So it means that square root of number below. Look at below. Below, let's count the number we are seeing below. 1, 2, 3. This is 60. This is 45. This is 30. This is 0. So if this is 60, this is number below. So we have 3 number 1, 2, 3. So it means that square root of 3 divided by 2 is the answer of sine 60 what degree. So it means that this is what? 3. Wow, and you're done in short form. You're done. Can you see how simple and interesting it is? Amazing. Now let's consider what? Sine 45 degree. Sine what? 45 what degree. Now let's see what you can do to sine 45 degree. So let's see. This is 3. Sine what? Sine 40 what? 5 what degrees equals. Just take your square root over what? 2 and find that number. Now, if this is a 0 degree, 30 degree, this is 45 degree. So 45 degrees means what? Square root of what? Number below divided by 2. Take a number below, which is what? 1, 2. Can you see how simple it is? So it means that root 2 divided by 2. And you're done. You're done. Your teacher will not fail. You're done. Without not using your theory aspect or your calculator. With this, you're done. And remember that these are what? Special what? Angles, right? They are special angles. Now, let's see what? 4. Let's see sine 30 degree, right? Equals to what? Now, sine 30 degree, put your square root divided by what? Always put this, okay? It's constant. Now, let's see 30 degree. This is a 0 degree, okay? 30 degree, this is a 30 degree. So, sine 30 degree means that square root of number below divided by 2. Look at, this is 1. You should have just 1. Look at 30, look at 0 degrees, this is 30. So, you just left with 1, just one finger. So, it's what? 1. So, it means that this is equals to what? That means sine 30 degree is equals to what? 1 over what? 2 or 0.5. Because square root of 1 is 1 and 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. Wow, that's amazing. Let's see sine 90 what degrees is equals to what? Now, sine 90 degree. This is 0 degree, right? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. So sine simply means what? Square root of number, square root of what? Finger below divided by 2. That's counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are left with 4. So this will become what? Root 4 divided by 2. Remember that root 4 divided by 2 is just what? Is just what? 2, right? Because it's just 1. Because root of 4 give us 2. So this will be equals to 2 divided by what? 2, which is equals to what? 1. Because square root of 4 is 2 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So it means that sine 90 degree is equals to what? 1. Wow, this is news. This is amazing. Trigonometric what? Trigonometric at your finger what? Trips. This is amazing. We are done with sine. Now let's consider what? Cos. Let's consider cos. So that means cos. Let's see cos what? Let's start from 0. Cos 0 degree is equals to what? Take note that cos simply means what? Cos A is equals to square root of number above divided by 2. Now cos 0 degree, look at 0. This is 0 degree, right? 0 degree for 30 degree, right? So let's start for 0 degree. Square root of number was square root of number above. Look at 0 degree. Look at above. So above, how many fingers are we having? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means that cos 0 degree is equals to square root of what? 4 divided by what? 2, which is equals to 2 divided by 2, which is equals to what? 1. This is amazing. Amazing. Now let's see cos what? Cos 30 degree. Okay, let's start at the way start. Okay, let's start from 60, right? So let's see cos 60 degree. Cos what? 61 degree, right? Equals to what? Let's say 60 degree. Now since square root of what number above divided by 2, this is your 0 degree. Take note, 30 degree, 45 degree, and this is your 60 degree, right? So it said that square root of number what? Above. Look at above. Are you seeing above? Look at above. Above, below, above, below, above. So this is above, which is just 1. So 1 over what? 2. This is what? Square root of what? 1 divided by 2, which is equals to what? 1 over 2, or 0.5. Wow, I love this. I love this. You see these tricks is very, very interesting. Now let's also see what you are done with 60. Let's see 45. Cos what? Cos 45 degrees equals to what? Square root of what divided by what? 2. Now let's see 45. This is our 0 degree, 30 degree, 45. Remember it's square root of number above. Look at above. This is 45. 0, 30, 45. Above just 2 over what? 2. So over what? 2. And you are done. You are done. Let's consider what? Let's consider 30 degree. So cos 30 degree is equals to what? Cos 30 degree is equals to what? Equals to root 2 or divided by what? 2. Now, this is what? This is 0 degree, 30 degree. And remember that cos simply means finger above divided by 2. Look at above. Above is 1, 2, 3. So it's what? Cos 30 degree is equals to what? Root 3 divided by 2 in short form. This is pocket news. I love this. I love this. Now let's see our 90 degree, right? So cos 90 degree is what? Cos 90 degree is equals to what? Now cos 90 degree, okay? Look at that. This is about 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. And take note that cos simply means number finger above divided by 2. Look at this is 90. Look at above. Above is nothing. Above is nothing. Are you seeing above? So it means that cos 90 degree, but let me see. Sin 90 degree was also cos 90 degree was what? 0, because square root of 0 divided by 2, because above we have nothing above, right? So that means cos 90 degree is equals to what? 0. Wow. This is amazing. This is pocket news. We are done with cos. Okay. Now what are we going to do for tan? So permit me to remove this from. Should I remove this? No. I cannot. If I'm going to remove this now, should I remove it? Let me remove it, please. We are going to look for tan. Okay. All right. Let's look for what? Tan. What is tan 0 degree? Remember that we know that sine. Let's know sine. Let's know sine 0 first. Sine 0. Look at 0 here. So sine simply means square root of number below divided by 2 is 0. So sine 0 is 0. Okay. So it means that this will be 0 divided by what is cos 0? Cos 0. Let's see cos 0. square root of number above, because 0 is what? Look at above. This is 0, right? Above is just 4. Okay? And 4, right? 4, right? Is 1. So yes, 1. So 0 divided by 1 is what? It gives us 0. So it means that tan 0 degree is equals to what? 0. Yes, it's equals to 0. What about tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is equals to what? Now we know that sin 30 degrees. Let's know about sin 30 degree and cos 30 degree. We can know what tan 30 degree. Sin 30 degree, let's see 0, 30, right? So sin 30 degree simply means square root of number below is just 1, right? 1 over 2. So it's 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 divided by, let's know cos 30 degree. This is 30, right? So the square root of number above 1, 2, 3 divided by 2. So 3 divided by what? 2, right? So it means that tan 30 degree is equals to 1 over 2 times 2 root what? 3. Okay, which is equals to what? So which is equals to, that means tan 30 degree is equals to what? Just root 3. So because 2 cancel out 2, right? So tan 30 degree is just root 2, and so on and so forth. You can also do it this way, and you have it. Okay, so this is the beautiful tricks or using it to play with your trigonometry. Very interesting. Take note that if you really find this very interesting, don't hesitate. Be sure to like, comment, and share with your loved ones so others will learn from it. Please, if you're not subscribed, consider to subscribe to this channel. So that anytime I do an exciting video, you will notify. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Don't forget, I stop at what? Tan 30 degree. You can also start consider with tan 60, tan 45, and tan 90, and the result and the answer are going to be amazing. Going to be excellent. So thank you so much, and God bless.